There.
Got no eyes on yet. Oh yeah, guy on the platform from the ship, far end.
Yeah, what's it? He was. There's a guy there that was shooting at him, and the guy had been knocked in
Yeah,
there.
I just killed one.
Oh, nice.
But he was shooting someone from the warehouse. Left side
Okay.
warehouse at the far end. Is there still a guy near you?
Can't see anybody near me, but there was a guy in that hut before.
I'm just gonna wait to see if he loots his body. Yeah, I see
Yeah,
him.
guy. Yeah, that side.
Yeah, he's dead.
Nice.
6 times scope on the QBZ.
That's
Sorry,
seen that.
QBU. Do you think that's
Knock him.
it? Yeah.
Thinking. Yes.
Oh,
that's
someone's
grenade.
nading us. That's him. Yeah, he must have spotted us.
Unless he's just guessing.
Alright.
No, he's here. He's on the other side of the rock. He's on the other side of the rock. He's coming around. He's coming around.
Yeah, he's dead.
Yeah, we both got him then.
6 times
Nice,
scope
nice.
in his face.
I was vectoring him as well. Sharks, somebody around here that was silenced.
Yeah, someone to the right, they're running. They haven't seen us. We've got a
Okay.
rock here we can use.
Yeah.
We're in.
He's in the blue and he's getting.
You got left, I got right. Yeah, I see his mate. I'm gonna get a
Okay,
shot
okay.
here. I'm gonna get him.
Nice.
Yeah, he's dead.
Okay.
Yeah, he's just. Oh, I see
Running.
him.
Yeah, he's laying down.
Yep, he's dead.
Nice. Someone else shooting on him still.
Yeah, it's from left side, isn't it?
Wasn't that far left though.
I don't know anymore. Yeah, he's gone left. He's gone to the blue left. Oh, never mind. We'll leave him. I've got my eyes on him. You check right. I got left.
Watch him right.
Are we in the zone? Yeah, he is.
Whoa! I've just been headshotted. Guy's in the window. Jumped out the window. Car 98 did me. He's coming right to finish me.
Here he comes.
Yeah, his mate's rushing.
Here he comes.
Yeah, he's behind the tree.
Yeah.
His mate's gonna be telling him intel. Blue's gonna push you in a sec. Sorry, I'm in your way, man. Yeah, he's left. Yeah, he got on what I was going to do. I was going to try and block him from being able to duck back in.
Mate, won it. It's another nade win. 7 kills.
Yes! You fucking hero!